Hello, guys. I hope you all are doing well. So, guys, today I will tell you about how to get a driving license in the UK. So, first of all, you will see and you check whether you meet the legal requirements. In order to drive in the UK, you need to be over the age of 17 and have a valid license to drive vehicle on the public roads. Yes, you should also be able to read a license plate from 20 meters away. Only residents can apply for a UK driving license, so foreign nationals are required to prove they have been living in the country 185 days within the past 12 months. So first you will apply for a provisional license. Where to go? You can apply for provisional license. What will you need? Guys, what will you need? You will be asked input in your basic identity and contact detail as well as your addresses for the past 3 years. Through the process, you will have the option to enter your national insurance number NIN, which is useful as it helps the ID verification process. And guys, how to verify your identity? Okay, so I will tell you for this part. Timing is essential. Unless you own a British biometric passport, you will need to send your original identity documents physically to the DVLA office along the passport style photograph. So guys, you will think how much it cost. Like for the online apply, it costs £34 to apply online. And guys, I will tell you some main points. Learning how to drive in practice. Guys, UK rules learning how to drive differ from those of most countries. You need to be supervised to learn how to drive. You can choose to learn with the friends or family if the supervisor meets these criteria. Like, so if your supervisor is they are 21 or elder, they are qualified to drive the type of vehicles you want to learn it. Example, they must have the manual car license. If they are supervising you in a manual car, they have had a full driving license from the European Economic Area for more than 3 years. So guys, then they will take the test. When you feel ready to take your theory test, then you will need to book a session on the VLA website. You will be asked to enter your provisional license number detail and pay £23 by credit or debit card. Then they will contact you instruction on the following steps. Like, they will ask you come and join us. So I will tell you guys how much does it cost to a driving license. Before I tell you, it is free to get the first full driving license when you apply online, and it costs £43 when you apply at the post. The first provisional license is £34 when you apply online, and when you apply for pass, you will have to be pay 43. I hope guys you will get some information about how to get live driving license in UK. Some of points are how to get provisional license before I will tell you, and the easy method and the cost, expert for driving theory test. This is not so much difficult method guys, it's very easy. I hope you will get and you will get some knowledge and everything. Thank you guys, take care, bye bye, see you.